So in this video ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-dopamine ukuthi yini. Ngifuna ukuyichaza ngendlela mina engiyi-understand ngayo. Ngifuna ukuyichaza ngesiZulu lesi engikhuluma ngaso, and I think ngicabanga nangesiZulu futhi most of the time. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi ngiyichaze ngendlela e-relatable to someone like me, umjida nje wasemsawudeni ukhuluma isiZulu, yabo. Kodwa I'm sure you clicking on this video, you probably know or have some familiarity. Uyayazi i-dopamine ukuthi yini, usake wahlangana nayo le concept ye-dopamine. Nami i-dopamine ngayithola a few years ago. Nami ngiyibuza ukuthi yindaba lezinto engingafuni ukuzenza ngilokhu ngizenza. Why ngi-addicted kangaka to insangu, indlwabu, nezinye nje izinto engingasafuni ukuzenza kodwa angikwazi ukuyiyeka. Why ngingakwazi ukuyeka ukuscroll efonini yami? Bese kuthi lezi zinto engifuna ukuzenza angizenzi, even though ngiyazi ukuthi yini kumele ngiyenze ukuze ngiye phambili, kodwa angizenzi. Noma ngizama ukuzenza kube ngazuthi nginyuka intaba, kube ngazuthi ziyitshe nje kakhulu, and I can't stay consistent with them. And I ran into dopamine. That's when I discovered dopamine, and I've realized ukuthi it's one of the most important neurotransmitters. That's what it's called. It's the most important concepts kuyona yonke lento addiction, motivation nani. So let's get into it. I-dopamine mina ngiyibona njengenjabulo, njengobumnandi obuzwa egazini lakho mawenza into ethile. So I want you to imagine ngizoyibeka ngani X and Y axis, where angazi-ke the vertical one, like the up and down axis, 10 phezulu bese kuthi ngapha nendawo ibe no-0, bese kuthi lapha egcineni ibe no-10. Ebese kuthi lower 10, it's like it's maximum, lower 10 is maximum pleasure, ubumnandi obukhulu kakhulu. Bese kuthi u-0, it's not pain, kodwa it's not like unormal wakho la ungajabule khona, ungekho futhi ebuhlungini la nje yonke into i-right khona. Bese kuthi u-10 ubuhlungu nomzimba obukhulu. I want you to imagine that. Bese kuthi the vertical, the horizontal one, angazi X or Y axis le, ukuthi it's time, it's say usuku, amaviki nani, kodwa nje ukusuka from lo 0 le uye le, ukuqhubeka kwesikhathi. So i-dopamine yenza ukuthi mawuzwa ubumnandi, noma ngithi i-dopamine ubumnandi. For example, mawuzokwenza into emnandi njenge-sex, i-sex imnandi, sonke siyakwazi lokho. Uyasuka from, noma igazi lakho, umzimba wakho uyajabula ngale ndlela, uzwe injabulo enkulu. So ama-dopamine levels akho ayaspike as you do the deed, kodwa as soon as you finish ashona phansi abuyele ku-0. Mawudla ukudla, ake sithathe into engayisani ku-10, ake sithi i-sex it's like ifikisana ku-10 bese iyehla ibuyele kubani, ibuyele ku-0. Ukudla nje, ukudla kunormal, like ukhari wenkukhu ne-rice, kukususa from u-0 kukubeke mhlampe ku-2 or 3 bese uyabuyela futhi masuqedile ukudla. Kodwa i-KFC izokususa from u-0 ikubeke ku-4 noma ku-5 noma ku-6 bese ikubuyisela ku-0 futhi. So yonke into emnandi, not just lezi zinto ezinormal, even lezi zinto ama-substance, utshwala nabo bumnandi, buyakususa from 0 ukunyusa bukubeke ko-5, 6, 7. Insangu nayo ngokunjalo, i-cocaine ngokunjalo. So yonke into emnandi, noma kuthiwa yini wena oyi-enjoyayo, iyona into esuke yenzeka engqondweni yakho leyo, ukuthi uyasuka from 0 uya depending on ubumnandi bento yakho, uyanyuka kule scale lesi, kule axis uma ngizoyibeka kanjalo. Nezinto ezibuhlungu ngokunjalo, so ake sithi ukushawa ngempama kubuhlungu. So usuka from u-0 normal wakho wehle uye kubani, uye ko-5. Yini nje ukuphoxeka, ake sithi ufailile esikoleni, uyasuka from 0 wehle ko -5 nakhona mawukuthi yini nje buhlungu wenza into hayi ubuhlungu kodwa izinto ezingekho mnandi yabo. Ukuvuka ekuseni uye esikoleni noma ukuvuka ekuseni uye emsebenzini akumnandi, sonke siyazi, especially maku-Monday akumnandi ukuvuka ekuseni uye esipanini. So injabulo yakho iyasuka from 0 yehle iye ko -3 yabo. Ukujima even though phela it's beneficial kodwa kumnandi ukuvuka ekuseni mhlawumbe ugqoke into zakho zokujima uqonde ejimini besalela abantu or ekuseni before uye emsebenzini akumnandi. Ukuphuma uyogijima akumnandi, uyasuka from 0 uye ko -3 lapho le. Kodwa it doesn't just stop there, as we know, because uyazi ukuthi masuqedile ukwenza isex uyahla ubuyele ku-0. Notshwala nabo masubuphuzile mase buphuma egazini ngakusasa ibhabhalazi isuke ingasekho mnandi, usuke usune slow down nje ongasazi noma ngaseyona nje ibhabhalazi kodwa nje igazi lakho lisuke selisho ukuthi khona into eshodayo la. So uyasuka from lapho wehle, and depending on ubumnandi belento eduyenza uba nesicobecobe esikwehlisayo from hayi ukuthi sikubuyisela ku-0. One thing you should note about iy'ngqondo zethu negazi lethu nomzimba yethu, sifuna ukuthi ngathi ingqondo yethu ayifuni ukuthi ujabule kakhulu kuze kweqe noma udumale kakhulu kuze kweqe. Yona into eyizamayo ingqondo yethu noma igazi lethu lifuna ukusibuyisela ku-0 more or less kulawo ama-level anormal. Alifuni ukuthi sijabule kakhulu noma sehle kakhulu. So into eyenzakalayo ukuthi uma ujabule kakhulu, it's like leyo njabulo izogcina mayisiyehla isibuyela phansi izowudlula lo 0 izibuyele ko negative. Ingakho ugcine uzwe ukuthi noma usuqedile lento, it's like khona ngazi ukuthi khona into esukile kuwena. That's why we get that empty feeling mawuqeda kwenza like very soulless sex mangizoyibeka kanjalo. Uma uqeda kubuka iporn, ingakho ukuthi iporn like as much as we may hate to admit it, iporn is very stimulating, imnandi ukuyibuka, like imnandi emzimbeni nasemehlweni nasengqondweni ngaleso sikhathi. Icishe ifane nama-drugs angempela yona. So uyaphezulu uyibuka mawusayibuka isamnandi kodwa as soon as uchitha uchama leyo njabulo iyehla idlule kulo 0 ukuthi ulandelwa ifeeling yokuyisola futhi lapho. So ubumnandi bugcine buphenduka kube ubuhlungu yabo. Ugcina usuya ku-negative, usuka mhlambe from a positive 8 all the way down to 0, wehle futhi below your baseline, wehle uye ku-3 futhi because usuyayisola futhi ngayenza futhi lento lena, ngiyenzeleni lento le yabo. Noma kade uphuzile mawusuphapheme isibuyile ingqondo noma ungaphezwe ibhabhalazi uyasho ukuthi sesi ngawumosha u-500 ngumumoshela ubala. So usuka from injabulo uye straight to i-baseline kodwa you drop even lower than your baseline ngoba lezi zinto zimnandi kakhulu. Imizimba yethu ifuna ukusibuyisela kulowo 0, ifuna ukuthi ibhalansise ingqondo yethu injalo. So you drop lower than your baseline. Okay, uzoqala ngokwenza lento le mhlawumbe uyishaya indlwabu uyishaya bese then you drop to your baseline yabo. Mose uqedile kwi-baseline yakho and then you drop lower than that bese uyabuyela-ke futhi to your baseline yabo. Kodwa nje ingqondo yethu ifuna ukuthi ukuzwe like ama-consequences alento eyenzile. Kodwa the opposite is true even for the positive dopamines. Angithi ama-delayed gratification activities like going to the gym. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ukuya ejimini akumnandi yabo, nkathi uphuma noma ukujima nje ukulifta insimbi akukho mnandi, akusiyo intanga loyo, uyehle. Kodwa uma usuqedile uyazizwa nawe ukuthi ya mfethu uyayifila-ke nje. It's like you go back to baseline kodwa uthole naleyo njabulo just above baseline. Ake sithi ukuya ejimini kukunika u-3 wobumnandi noma obuhlungu. Angifuni ukusebenzisa lelo gama kodwa ilona igama engili-understandayo. Kukunika u-3 bese kuthi kodwa injabulo yalokho because usuke usuyifila ukuthi nginswempu ngikwazile ukuvuka ngayojima ngenza ini noma ngahlala ngafunda ngakwazi ukuthi i-fast food ngibe eceleni ngadla ukudla okuhealthy nginswempu. It's like kubuhlungu uma usazenza lezo zinto kodwa uma usuqedile injabulo yakho iyabuyela to i-baseline izidlule futhi kancane ku-baseline because umzimba wakho uyakutshela ukuthi i-right lento oyenzayo mfethu. But it goes even deeper than that because there's short-term effects and long-term effects. Ukuthi okay wena ngisho ukujima kumnandi kufike kube buhlungu like your feelings or injabulo yakho ubumnandi it drops below baseline iye ku -3 bese iyanyuka iye ku-0 bese iyanyuka iye ku-2 bese iyabuyela ku baseline. Kodwa ayigcini lapho because ukujima kunama effects longer, like inama longer term effects. Yabo a couple of weeks later usuyaqala uyabona yes ukulokhu ngiyojima kuyawushintsha umzimba wami, ngizizwa ngihealthy. Ukuphuma ngiyogijima angisakhefuzeli uma ngiyitebhisi, angisakhathali yabo mangenza izinto. So it's like ayigcini ngaleso sikhathi kuphela, the effects go on for long, for weeks and months down the line. The opposite is also true with ukuphuza. Yabo ake sithi uhambile wayophuza uthole ubumnandi baleso sikhathi, kodwa ugcina lapho kuphela ubumnandi because ubumnandi bakho kuzokwehla kufike ku-baseline ewu-0 behle futhi kube ku-2 kuzama ukubuyela. Kodwa weeks down the line usuyabona ukuthi shit angisenayo imali yegross. So ama-effects uyalokhu wezwa down the line ukuthi loya 500 ukube angudlanga. Even iphoni-ke is the worst because uthola leyo njabulo, leyo spike yenjabulo initially, kodwa you drop even lower than your baseline after that. Ake sithi usuyazama-ke manje usula intombi because you've been watching it for so long, awusakwazi manje ukuperforma kahle, ayisasebenzi into yakho because wena usujwayele ukubuka lento le, usuyayisola even more. Yabo more than lokho kuyisola usukuyisola mawuqeda kuyenza lento, kodwa usuyisola ngendlela entsha manje. Even ama-drugs like yabo understand that instant gratification has just ubumnandi bamanje kuphela, kodwa everything else that comes after that it's just pain. It's the lack of ubumnandi or injabulo. It's the opposite in fact. Kodwa ama-delay gratification, ukujima, ukuhlala phansi ufunde, ukudla healthy kubuhlungu manje kuphela, kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uyawabona ama-benefits alezi zinto. Yabo kodwa it doesn't just stop there, it goes even deeper. Ukuzwa makuthiwa hayi ingathini igazi lami selijwayele lento. For example insangu saqala sabhema othuphulu, yabo ushaya uthuphulu ukubambe uhleke wenze ini kube mnandi lana, yabo. So wawungadingi ama-drugs amaningi ukuze noma ngithi wawungadingi udoso omningi, wawungadingi ukuthi ubheme kakhulu ukuze injabulo yakho isuke from low 0 iye ko-8. Wawudinga nje into encane ikusuke iye ko-8 ibuyele ihambe ngendlela yayo. Kodwa the more uyenza lento, the more udinga ama-drugs amanye, the more uthuphulu ungakwenzi, awusakwenzi lutho uthuphulu, ugcina usubhema igqosha, uhafu wegqosha, yabo ugcina usubhema igqosha lonke wethu just ukuthi ufuna ukuyozwa kuloya 8. Kodwa the more uyenza lento, the more injabulo yehla, yabo. Mhlambe at first ubuthola injabulo ka-8 from le lokhunja yakho, withini, from ukubhema lensangu yakho, ubuthola injabulo ka-8 bese iyehla eku-2 mase ibuyela ku-0 futhi, yabo. Kodwa manje usudinga intanga eningi, kodwa kwayona ayisakufikisi kulowo 8, mhlambe usufika ku-5, kodwa futhi isifike ku-5 ibuyele ku-0 bese iyehla even more manje, ayisagcini ku-2 isiyehla iya ku-5, yabo. Uma ngizoyikhuluma nje ngingayikhulumi ngendaba yegeli, usuyabhema awusenzeki lutho, yabo. Udinga ukuthi ubheme kakhulu ukuze uzwe lobuya mnandi loba obawabuzwa usaqala, kodwa still ayenzeki lutho. Kodwa manje it's like usuzwa ububuhlungu kuphela balezi zinto lezi. Same with iphone sasikwazi ukuthi sibuke isithombe nje mfethu samabele, asihlanye kakhulu, qanyele wenze yonke lento, uyishaye uze uqede lapho ngesithombe nje samabele. Kodwa manje ama-video mfethu awu-100, yabo. Abantu besifazane abaningi ugcina usudinga ukubuka izinto ey'graphic kakhulu just ukuthi injabulo yakho uzama ukuyibuyisela lapha ku-10, kodwa ayisafiki not even close to that, isigcina la ko-3 ebese ishona phansi kakhulu iye ko-7 manje because usuyayisola, not just ukuthi ubuka lento, usuqala ukuyisolela manje ukuthi angisakwazi ukuyiyeka lento, why ngilokhu ngibuyela la, why ngilokhu ngibuyela kulento. So uzolokhu ubuyela injabulo yakho ilokhu yehla ibancane, ulokhu udinga more substances. The same is true with the opposite actions, with the positive activities like ukujima. Manje the more yenza lento, the more kuba lula ukuvuka ekseni, the more you don't feel like shit, the more you don't feel like garbage every time you wake up and go for a run. You start to enjoy it. So ububuhlungu mhlawumbe ade buya ku -3 abasafiki, usegcina mhlawumbe ko -2 lapho, ebese injabulo yakho kade inyuka igcine ko +2 isiya ko 4 manje, ebese uyabuyela kahle. It's like usuqala ukuyi-enjoya lento, you start looking forward to it because awusebuhlungu kangako, usukujwayele negazi lakho seliyijwayele. Ingakho abanye abantu sebephila ukujima nje, yabo. Uxake ukuthi umuntu uyenza kanjani lento mfethu, uyizwisa kanjani ubuhlungu obungaka ukuthi mhlambe eyogijima u3 hours kanjani mfethu. I sometimes run 3 hours, ukuthi it's not as painful mfethu. It's like ububuhlungu bokugijima lowo 3 hours buncane compared to ubumnandi obuzwayo after usuqedile lento le, yabo. Nomuntu odla healthy, xa uthi udla kanjani healthy lo muntu unyaka wonke, it's like uyabona ukuthi hayi akungisiza ukudla lezi zinto because ubumnandi besikhashana bese ubuhlungu, kodwa ukudla healthy bumnika akusekho ngathi sekumnandi kuyena ukudla okunempilo, yabo. Akusehli kangaka, mhlawumbe akusehli at all from baseline, wena usethola ama-benefits akho, yabo. Njengokuthi usuyajima, usuyisigora vele, it's like usuyabo useyi-benefit ehamba nje umuntu. So why do we stay addicted to these things? I think iyona le nto, because ingqondo yethu, ake ngithi igazi lethu alifani nengqondo yethu. Into eyizwa imnandi uyayi-understanda, ngathini umzimba wakho uyayi-understanda nje on an emotional level, on a 0 to 1 or on and off type of understanding. Umzimba wakho wazi ukuthi imnandi lento noma yimbi, imnandi noma yikho mnandi, noma ngathiwa yona iyakubulala, umzimba wakho awunendaba naleyo nto. Ingqondo kuphela esukuyi-understanda leyo nto ukuthi oh iphone kahle kahle iyangilimaza, kodwa ngoba igazi lakho selijwayele, igazi lakho ngoba ngathini sama-drugs, it's dope, dopamine, it's dope lento, ngathini iyi-drug noma kuthiwa yini. So ingakho abanye abantu bebe-addicted to iporn, abanye bebe-addicted to running marathons, because sifuna le feeling sonke. Yonke into osukuyenza empilweni usukufuna ukuzwa ubumnandi, yabo. Even though you may not understand it consciously, kodwa sonke sifuna ukuzwa ubumnandi ngayo yonke into esiyenzayo. Ingakho umuntu ezolokhu ebhemile insanga, elokhu ebuyelile noma engasafuni ukuthi umzimba wakhe, igazi lakhe aliyazi enye indlela yokuthola lobumnandi ngaphandle kwensanga. Useyijwayeze lokho yena for many years, yabo. So noma ngathi uyabona ukuthi injabulo akasayitholi, kodwa ukuthola lokho kuncane nje, yabo, elokhu ebuyela noma esebona kahle kahle ayisamshayi lento, inobuhlungu obuningi more than ubumnandi, kodwa ngoba uyakuthola lokho uzolokhu ebuyela nje. Ngizolokhu ngibuyela until he breaks the cycle, yabo. Mina isifiso sami esikhulu empilweni ukuthi ngibe addicted to my work, to making videos like this, so whatever goals I have, the same way I was addicted to watching porn, ukuthi bengikwazi ukuthi ngihlale ukuthi bengikwazi ukuthi ngihlale ubusuku bonke ngibukana, ngibheka ama-video, or ngihlala ubusuku bonke ngibhema, or ngikwenza konke. Shuthi khona indlela noma it's possible for me ukuthi ngibe addicted to ama-goals ami the same way I was addicted to these destructive habits like porn and insangu and utshwala nani, yabo. Because ukufundisa ingqondo yakho nje ukuthi oh lobu mnandi ngingakwazi ukubuthola laphayana futhi, even though it takes time, kodwa it's like it's possible, because asizalwanga si-addicted to lezi zinto, ithina esiyifundisile, yabo. Okunye anginayo ama-solution akho, because I'm not a rehab specialist, if that's a thing. Ngazi nje mina lezi zinto ebezingijovile, angidinganga i-rehab. And to be honest, I'm not completely clean of these things, yabo. Mina nje uma ngizoba honest, I'm still addicted to scrolling ifoni yami, to just chilling, even though I don't smoke or watch porn as much as I used to, yabo. Ngike ngilingeke nami ngalelo langa, yabo, every once in a while. Kodwa I'm getting better, kodwa it's like I still have a long way to go, because uma ukuthi ngempela bengikwazi, bakhona abantu abakwazi ukuhlala ubusuku bonke benze lezi zinto ekumele bezenze, yabo. So that is my understanding of i-dopamine. I wish I had a whiteboard la ngizobhala khona yonke lento. Mhlampe in the future I will make a video. Kodwa for me that is the goal, yabo. As much as I do have goals, but my biggest goal is to be addicted to my goals the same way I was addicted to these bad substances, yabo. Ukuthi kulula-ke phela ukuba addicted to ukuphuza or to ukubhema, because lezi zinto zilula mfethu, uyithola ungenzanga lutho okutheni, because kulula ukuthi uyothenga utshwala uhlale phansi uphuze, kulula ukuthi uyothenga insangu ushuke ubheme, kulula ukuthi uvule ifoni yakho, kulula ukuthi uthole lezinye izinto, kulula ukuthi uthole ubumnandi balezi ezinye izinto. Kodwa lezi zinto ezi-right, it's like ubumnandi kumele ubusebenzele, kumele udlule ekubuhlungwini obuthile qala before uzwele ubumnandi. So I can go on the whole day, but I'm really passionate about dopamine. And yeah, thank you for watching.